Hello. Hello, Net. I had a little issue starting the stream, but I think OBS was weird. But I think I'm just going to delete that. Yeah. Delete that one. Okay. I'm doing all right. Hanging in there. I had to watch the show with my wife, which was nice. But I had to work late again, which sucked. But I closed about 7 tickets, so I feel good about that. Even though there's more. But I wanted to jump over to this, get some more work done. My goal is still to get this all done by this weekend, hopefully. We've been watching on Paramount there's the Matlock series with Kathy Bates, which is pretty good. And then there's Elsbeth, which is part of the Good Wife, Good Fight series. And we like the character. Hey, how's it going? Okay, let's... I've been working on some more emotes. I want to share them with you guys. You tell me if you like them. Downloads. Let's see. So we have this one. Oh wait, these didn't. Oh wait, sorry, don't have the final ones. Hold on. Here we go. So final. Is that one? Is that one? That one? That one's already one. Karate. Hide. I like the hide one. Hide one's cute. Oh, that one I did already. Where's the new ones I did? It was today. I thought I did more. Oh, right. I haven't cut these ones out yet. Exhausted. I don't know which ones I like better for an exhausted one. And then I wanted a noted one, like note taking. And I have these 3 that I liked that it generated. Okay, and then this one. And then there's this other AI one. Okay, so let's go through these real quick because I want your opinions. I'm doing them with Dolly in ChatGPT. Okay, so I have one that I want to do like AI, so like taken over by AI. So where's the other one? Gotta find it. Hold on. It was... Hold on. Shrink, shrink, shrink. Get rid of that one. Shrink. 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 Where did the other one go? I had two. Hold on. There it is. So, which one do you like? Hey, neither. So yeah, so one, obviously I have to cut out the background, and I don't know why, but when I say like I told the prompt, I was like I need it to be like an icon for my channel, and it has to be good for Twitch. And when I said that, it puts the Twitch logo in everything. I don't know why. But I was like, and I even told her, I was like, don't put the logo, don't put logos, don't put symbols, but it still does it. The red eyes throw you. So everyone likes this one when they say 2. All right, so AI 2 wins. Okay. Now, I like this one. Hold on. So I already started cutting this one out. So I think that's the one I picked too. I think that's the one I liked. So I already started cutting out the stuff, which I used another AI tool for. I found like so many AI tools to do this stuff with. It's ridiculous. That's the what the fuck one. That one's surprised. That one's karate, which I think is cute. This one is the shield. I think that's cute. All right, so now we have an exhausted one. So we have exhausted, like super tired. I don't know. And another thing, it does this sometimes. It'll give me a cool picture, but then it gives me a little one and a little one. I don't know why it does that. I don't know how to tell it not to do that. When I use my own face, because I'm not as cute as my character is, and my character, the character that I like, the character that I did is this character. This is my, elf character. So, oops. All right. So, 1 or 2 for exhausted, tired. And I don't know why I cannot get it to do it without tears. I have asked it so many times, like, do not put tears on the character. In fact, I did an angry one with the same thing. Where's the angry one that I did? So this one is the one I have for angry. And I also did an objection one. Where's the objection? I did one of these. And again, it's like they cannot do certain emotions without tears. I don't know why. It drives me nuts. But so if you had to pick one, which one would you pick? 1, which is the one on the left, or 2, which is the one on the right? I might be able to do something to get rid of the tears. I have to look at the programs. I might be able to have it remove the tears, but I have to look at the 2. Where's Nat? Nat, where are you? Oh, am I in commercial for them? Is that why? Is that why Nat's not here? No, I shouldn't be on commercial. Nat says 2. Because we're twins. Okay. I trust you. Alright, so 2. Okay, next one. Taking notes. We have 3 options. Now, this one, I actually like the first one, but the problem is it got her armor wrong. The second one is cool, but it doesn't fit the style. The third one's okay, but her boobs are showing. And I'm not like a guy that's like all about the anime boobs. it's workable. I might be able to use AI to fill in that with armor. Now there's says boobs. Okay. Can you make them small? Okay. Yes. Oop. Oop. Small. Will it go smaller? Problem is I haven't like cleaned these up, so I don't. It's not gonna look right. You don't give me like a 5%? Let's do 5. And then 5. That's true, you're on your phone. You like 1. Is that better, Em? Yeah, 1 still? Okay. That's the one. Honestly, that's the one I was probably going to pick too. They all look great, but I think that's the one that's the most readable, what she's doing. Okay. Then I have this one. I don't know why I made this little creepy guy in the corner, but I like that one too. All right. Anyway, so I was playing around with that today. Oh, and I also did badges for subs. Thinking of using these shields. I don't know how these are going to read. I have to like cut them out, make them transparent. But like, you know, M has the subscriber one. And so I was thinking like you'd have the basic shield and then you would go up in more elaborateness. Now these got cut off on the end, but I want to see if I could just take these out. I mean, these might be too detailed for the little icon, but we'll see how they look. You know, I really need to find artists. I really need more artist friends that I can bother to make stuff for me, but I just want to I have it ready. I want to have the channel ready. I got affiliate, you know, I can get subs now. I want to have it nice. You've been looking at Etsy. I was thinking of looking at Fiverr. Some people get their stuff from Fiverr. I know I have a friend who streams binary digits. She sometimes comes by, and I think she got hers done on Fiverr. So, but all right. I don't think I'm going to wear cat ears. I'm not a cat ears type of person. Yeah, sorry. If my daughter comes on stream, maybe she'll wear her cat ears. She has cat ears. Oh. But yeah, but I don't know if she wants some random weirdo showing up in her stream, be like, could you do my emotes for like $2, please? Because the other thing is, I don't know if I can pay somebody, so that's why I was going with the AI. But I would like I would like to be able to do it actually by an artist, because then it would be consistent across the board. Then the character would be the person who did my current ones was a friend of mine. Yeah, actually, their information is in my description stuff. I think I'm spiking here. Justin, he did so on these screens. He did the character, and my friend Dan did the background and the text and everything, and helped me with the screens. So those are actually done by real artists. That's not AI artwork. That's on the panels. That was done by my friend Justin. He drew the character, and then my friend Dan helped me put together the screens because he's a visual artist. So custom ones are expensive. Yes, most people. Yeah, per emote. Yep, that's the last time I looked. That's kind of what I saw. Am I being really loud? I see the thing spiking. Hold on, let me adjust it here. How's this? Is that better? Is this better? Should I go lower? Do I want to be in the? I want to be in the green, right? Hello. Testing 1 2. Testing 1 2. Is that better? That's the first better. Waiting. All right. Gonna jump back into this. So we did a lot yesterday. No, please don't. What happened to these doors? There we go. That looks better. They were a little small. Did you notice that? I feel like they didn't fit in the doorway. Let me make it. Oh, come on. 1.05. Just a little bit bigger so they don't. Actually, I think the 1.1 was probably the best. 7.5. Yeah, let's make 1.1. Okay. Now, is that going to look weird when they open? Let's see. Oh, yeah, because you didn't like the door sound, right? Yeah. Man, it's fine for now. Worry about it later. Okay. I can get rid of this bucket. That was a test bucket. You didn't hear it there. Oh, I think because I tripped over the bucket. That's probably why you didn't hear it. Yeah, because I stepped on the bucket. I got rid. It was just a test bucket. I got rid of it. So. These I broke those. Let me fix that. Gameplay, prefabs, props, looted chest. First of all, we need to add a box collider to the top. Okay. And actually, let's add a box collider there. And let's make this a trigger. And Okay. And then let's do... I think it needs the interactable, which I had removed originally, but I'm removing the actual interaction handlers in favor of the highlights. So the bucket, yeah, so we'll look at that in a second, because I think those sounds are not set up to be spatial. Yeah, that's better. Where's that other chest that was like this? What does this look like? Okay, good. The box is like that. Oh, but I guess I can, for this one, I can just change this one. Not just override it on the prefab for now. Okay. So yeah, let's talk about the bucket for a second. So if I put a bucket here, right? It's just playing sounds. It's not using the studio thing. So I have to add a studio event emitter, which we have to then override. So apply. And then what we need to do here is with the audio collision, and then there's the, I think it's the object interact. No. Where's the one where you throw it? Oh no, it is this one. Okay. So for the audio, yeah, spatializer thingy. Yes. So, okay. So there's two parts to it, Em. You have to make the sound work with a spatializer. And then in Unity, I have to put a certain component, because that component, the studio event emitter thing, is what passes the spatial data from Unity of the player, like where the player is, to the component, so it knows how far it is from that. So just by you just making it a spatial sound doesn't mean it will play that way. I have to set it up that way. So if we go to, I think it's renovation sounds, right? And it's, yeah, renovation events. What are we using? Toss bucket, right? Well, actually, this one's not spatial. Toss bucket is not. What about this one? But bucket hits cart is. So the toss isn't, but the impact is. So for now, I'm just going to initialize this to the toss. Toss. Yeah, see, I can't, if I set it to toss, I can't even override the attenuation. It won't even let me set the min and max distance. I have to initialize it with a sound that has it. And then I can actually click this checkbox and I can say how far I want it. So this could be like 5. And we can even make this like 0.1. Like you have to be like really on top of it, or 0.5. Right. Well, we are going to do co-op. So, surprise. I want to do co-op. We'll see. We'll see if I can do it. I can write multiplayer code. I've written multiplayer code. I can do it. I just don't know if I want to do it for this project. But I think we're going to experiment with doing something once I get the WebGL done. I think I might experiment with multiplayer in some capacity to see if it even makes sense to do it in the game. All right, so here we need to change this. We need to say this needs a serialized field. No, not serialized. Require component of type studio event emitter, and then serialize it. Actually, we don't need to do that. Private studio event emitter. We need to initialize that by getting the component. Then instead of saying place, well, actually, and then we have to initialize the actual emitter. So we have to say emitter equals audio service, initialize event emitter, and pass in the emitter with, let's say, first impact. Let's say impacts, actually. Impacts. Then instead of saying audio service, we say emitter.play. Can I swap out the sound? No, you wouldn't have to do it. If you wanted to